everybody feeling so far? Pretty good? Good. All right.
WOW at its core is a school-based group counseling program.
Youth Guidance's Working on Womanhood program provides trauma-informed support for students right at school. Ngozi Harris is WOW's Director of Program and Staff Development.
We're taking them to spaces within the school where they're talking about things that most of the time they've never had a chance to talk about. They're getting a chance to have an opportunity to make mistakes and talk about those mistakes, but then feel empowered to make change and to do something different.
In 2017, the University of Chicago Education Lab launched a study including more than 2,000 mostly Black and Latina girls in CPS high schools. And the results were released early this month. Dr. Monica Bott is part of the research team.
Girls, sort of prior to the program, had rates of probable PTSD and moderate trauma-related distress of 38%. That's twice that of Iraq and Afghani war veterans, which is very sobering. And more hopefully, we found that the program reduces PTSD by 22% and reduces anxiety and depression significantly as well.
Talk to parents all over the country who...
U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy has been sounding the alarm on mental health, especially for young people.
I'm here to speak about what I believe is the defining public health issue of our time, and that is the youth mental health crisis.
He attributes the crisis to the impact of social media. Young people are also dealing with the effects of the pandemic and violence-related trauma. Nearly a third of the girls participating in the study reported they had witnessed someone being assaulted or killed.
We need to think about a systematic way to intervene.
Researchers say the study is some of the first rigorous evidence that can inform better policy to help young women. And Harris says the findings are not surprising.
It just reaffirmed what we had already seen, what we already knew, that our young people were already telling us, that they're experiencing a lot and they're holding it in. And that ability for us to create safe spaces and spaces that they're already in is what matters.
Gaynor Hall, WGN News.